Hey, so I haven't uploaded a video in a few days because I ran low on spirits and I was like, I can't be asked to make a bike video. I was going to do a vlog of my first race, which was yesterday. It went badly, quite badly. I got lapped twice, um, but it was really good fun. The people there were really supportive, and it was just a general good day out. So what I thought I'd do instead of making any cocktails or doing stuff like that, I'm going to try and make a daiquiri later in the week, or something to that effect. Something with rum because I'm buying rum off my flatmate. So what I thought I'd do instead is do how I set my bike up for different occasions. So I've got three setups. I've got four setups. Four setups. What I've got. The first one, which is the current state of the bike, is going to be my race setup. The second one is going to be my commuter setup. The third one is going to be my outriding long ride setup, and the fourth one is going to be riding with a rucksack long distances. So not bike packing, just sort of long distance commuting. So for my work at like doing volunteering work far away. So enough of my ugly face, let's crack on. So the way I've got it set up, this is just from yesterday when it was racing. I do apologise about the state of the bike. It's completely filthy because I had to ride to uni on it today. But it's just stripped down. There's no back bottle cage. There's nothing on the back of the seat post. I've got the ass saver on because you don't want a grubby bum. And then around with the Edge 25. See how fast I'm going on the stem. And then just strips the handlebars down completely. So if I bring the camera over, you can see that handlebars have just been stripped completely. This is sort of where I've been putting my bells, my lights. Yeah, and that's the seat I'm running with. So it could do with being a bit further forward. It's a bit uncomfortable riding right on the end here at the moment. So I've got a few bits to tinker with. But this is the basic race setup. Just one bottle. It's the Camelback bottle. I've reviewed this in another video. And then with that, it's just filled to the top of water. And then one of these, which are really quite nice. I'd say these ones are second in comparison to the berry ones. The berry ones are really good, but these ones are a close second, and that's what I've been using because Wiggle ran out, they went out of stock. But these are good too. You can see my wheels. Wheels are standard. I haven't managed to set up my second set yet. But yeah, this is my basic race setup. Brakes are in tight. Just basically a stripped down bike. Okay, on to the commuter setup. So all I've got here is my everyday commuter setup. You can see the biggest changes are on the handlebars. So I've got my Katai Volt 300 light, which is really bright. It's got all these settings as well, so you can sort of ride with it any time of day. And then something that I don't think a lot of roadies use, but using the cycle lanes around Brighton, I think it's really helpful to have a little bell on. And then I've got this because if it's not on Strava, it didn't happen. Rack up those miles. Again, just one bottle cage. It's not far for me to commute. And then what I've done here is put back reflector back on for riding on the roads and a rear light. And I think it's actually illegal to ride without one of these, supposedly. Although no one ever enforces bike laws. Which is, it's what it is. So that's my basic commuter setup. The idea is just simple as possible, but with lights so that I can be seen. I'll ride with the rucksack. I don't need anything else. I'm riding in jeans and a t-shirt most of the time. Yeah, nothing's changed much. Okay, so here's my penultimate setup. Nothing's changed at the front. Still got the lights, but in the center of the frame, we have another bottle. What? Going on longer rides, I like to ride with two bottles, and sometimes, because this one's a bit of a pain to drink out of, what I'll do is if we do a cafe stop or something, I'll switch the fluid in this one and this one, or top this one up rather. So I'll drink out this one and top it up with this one, because it's just easier to drink on the move. Then moving up, I've got my Topeak saddlebag wedged in there, and I've moved the light down because it just doesn't allow space for it. But in there, what I'll carry when I'm out riding is a multi-tool, maybe some pliers, first aid bits and bobs, and a spare inner tube and patches and stuff to repair it with. I need to get another one, have a pump here, a little FWE mini pump, which was great until it fell apart on a ride, and half of it is missing somewhere in the South Downs. So I need to get another one of those. But yeah, saddlebag, that's what's changed. This is what I do when I'm going out long rides, because you can carry everything with you. You can even put like money and stuff in your saddlebag, which is fine. Or you can put it in your, I know some people put it in the end tubes, but I don't really want to lose a tenner all the way up there, because that would be most unfortunate. Okay, so I'm going to hit stop now. I'll be right back with my long distance commuter setup. So, pause the video, spot the difference. I'm just kidding, you weren't going to pause it, I knew that. So the difference is being, I've got a secondary light on there. It's just a cheapo one from Amazon, and it just gives me a bit more visibility going long distance, and it also acts as a backup in case the cat eye runs out of battery. Normally I will carry chargers and stuff in my bag, because where I volunteer there's a mess room, you can plug stuff in and charge it up. Oh god, what's he done to the bike? Oh, it's horrible. Oh, don't worry viewers. It is just a top tube bag. I know it doesn't look pretty. I know it's hideous. And I know it probably affects my braking. But when I've got a rucksack on, I can't access gels, I can't access my phone, I need to look at stuff. So this will just sort of drop up like that if I need to check my phone at short notice, because if I'm riding in full kit, which I will do to get to where I volunteer, I can just be opening it up, have a look inside. Oh, look at that, there's a gel in there. Lovely. It won't close. Okay, I'll just leave it open. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Normally I would have run with a spare backlight, which we just hook on here, but that actually broke off while I was commuting a couple of weeks ago, which is really quite disappointing, because it was a rather good light, quite fast flashing, and pretty good visibility off it. So yeah, just walking back, I record all my rides. That is my heavy commuter bike, and obviously I take a little rucksack with me, all my stuff in, and that's got 2 inner tubes in it. I've got like a pump in my bag. Make sure I've just got everything so I don't get stuck 15 miles from home or 30 miles from home, which I really don't want. But yeah, that's my main bike setup. So from race to daily commuter to going out on a long ride with the guys, and then this. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's just sort of my opinions on how I set my bike up. You know, everyone does it a little differently. I like the little touches that I put on for different times a year, different sorts of riding, and I think that's just great. If you like this video, just drop us a like down. I reckon it'll be about there, probably, and then I'll have some other videos up here, and then over my face I'll put the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.